Oh, hello guys! Bibigyan lang natin ng reaksyon itong nakita kong video, ang kumakanta, napaka-cute na bata. At siyempre, credit to kay Mr. Friends Fuse, siya yung nagbigay ng instrument dun sa bata. So tara, panoorin natin at bigyan natin ng maikling reaction.
Ah, I just woke up from a tree, and I had to say goodbye. And I don't worry of me, as it's I had to say goodbye. So could you dance it up follow? Nobody promised tomorrow. So all night and last night.
Alam mo, kahit hindi niya nasasabi or nabibigkas yung tamang lyrics, talagang kita sa mukha niya na ramdam niya yung kanta, gusto niya yung kinakanta niya, guys.
Nine and last night, and the wall was hanging next to you. As the body was over, and the time apart is through. I wanna hold you, just wanna go.
Naku, kinagat na ng lamok. Ba't ka kasi dyan nag-record, Otoy? Magaling din yung ano no, yung nagbigay ng ano ng instrument, yung nagpiano si Mr. Franz Fuse. Ayan, at maraming salamat at see you ulit sa next video natin.